Today we're making a spatchcock chicken and we'll be putting the Midea Flexify Pro air fryer to the test. Can it make the chicken juicy and tender and still have that crispy golden brown skin? Let's get started. To begin, I'm using a whole bird here. I'm going to pat it dry. I have 1 stick of butter here, nice and soft. I'm going in with some seasoning. I'll have everything below, mix it together. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Now it's time to season our chicken. Now we're going to cut the backbone of the chicken. That will help it cook faster and evenly. Now to make sure the chicken nice and flat, just cut the slit in the middle, flip it over, and press it down like this. Now we're going to pat it dry, flip it over, pat that side as well. And now you're going to drizzle some olive oil, rub that in, grab your seasoning, and season the chicken generously. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to insert that delicious butter right inside. A good spatchcock chicken always comes down to 2 things: crispy skin and juicy, tender meat. And we're going to find out today if this oven can give us that. And also we add some butter right here in the breast to make sure that juice remain in there and nice and buttery, okay? Make sure you push it in. You know, the breast is the driest part of the meat. It's always good to add lots of butter. Now we're going to season the top, drizzle a little bit of oil all over the skin. Grab your seasoning and generously season your chicken. Don't go light on this part, okay? And once you're done seasoning the chicken, you should have something like this. Before we get started, I have to show you guys my newest kitchen helper. This is the Midea Flexify Pro French door air fryer oven. The first thing that caught my attention was the French door design. Not only does it look beautiful on my countertop, but it also fits perfectly into my kitchen setup and makes loading larger dishes incredibly convenient. Today, we're putting it to work with an entire spatchcock chicken. Time to get the chicken in the air fryer, and this is my favorite part. Watch this. You see that? Yeah. Let's add the chicken to the baking tray. Ooh. Put that right in. Ooh. Close the door. Now I'm going to use the bake preset for this chicken. So I'm just going to take it to bake. And also I am going to bake it for about 35 minutes for now. And then we'll take a look and see if we need to bake it a little bit longer. So 35 minutes. The Midea Flexify Pro uses Graphene Hybrid Heating Technology, which helps the oven heat up fast and cook food evenly. That combination helps create crispy golden skin while locking in moisture where it belongs. And for a dish like a spatchcock chicken, that's exactly what we're looking for. This oven also has 10+4 cooking function, giving you plenty of flexibility beyond roasting and air frying. It's time for the moment of truth. Come take a look. Ooh-wee! Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that juice. Juicy chicken. Do y'all see it? I know y'all can see that juice coming out. Ooh, get into that breast. This is what I'm talking about. When I said I need a juicy chicken, this is what we're talking about. Do y'all see this? Y'all see that juice coming out? Absolutely.
One thing I really noticed during this cook was how quickly the oven heat up. The Graphene Hybrid Heating Technology helps the oven reach temperature fast and cook evenly, which helps lock in moisture while creating that crispy exterior. And honestly, that's exactly what we want from a spatchcock chicken. Crispy outside, juicy inside.
Y'all can see how juicy this chicken looks already. Chicken came out super, super flavorful. Let's not talk about the flavor. And after putting the Midea Flexify Pro French door air fryer to the test, I can say this is a success. Everything came out perfect, crispy skin, tender meat, juicy.
Another feature that I appreciate is the non-toxic, easy clean enamel interior.
Everything came out absolutely amazing. If you would like to check this air fryer out, I'll have the link waiting for you right now in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.